Hi, good morning children. Welcome back to online classes. In previous session we discussed about measurement. Let's solve the exercise based on the measurement. Look at the question children. Measure the length of the fish. Write the measurement in the box. Okay, here they have shown the fish picture and ruler. Okay, here they have marked fish mouth from 0. Okay, from mouth to tail, how much long it is. Okay, so here they have marked from 0 to 13. So the fish length is 13 centimeter. Look at the second fish. Here mouth marked from 0 to tail 8 centimeter. So the length of fish is 8 centimeter. Third fish. So here marked mouth from 0 to tail 5 centimeter. So the length of fish is 5 centimeter. Measure these objects and write the length in the box. See here children, they have given here pencil, stick and pen, and they have asked you to measure the length of these objects. Here you have to use your scale. Okay, you can use your scale, place your scale on your textbook. Okay, mark from 0 to, observe here children, how much long the pencil is? 0 to 5.5. So it is between 5 and 6 here. So it is written as 5.5 centimeter. So what is the length of this given pencil? 5.5 centimeter. Now measure the length of stick. Okay, place your ruler on the stick, mark from 0. So 0 to 10. So what is the length of this stick? 10 centimeter. Measure the length of pen. So you can point 0 starting to end point. So what is the length here? 8 centimeter. Find the total length. Here they have given two objects children. We have to measure the total weight of both the object. So look here, 140 centimeter long ribbon, 120 centimeter long ribbon. Total weight of the ribbons is, we have to find. So what is the length of red ribbon here? 140 centimeter plus what is the length of blue ribbon? 120 centimeter. If you add the length of both the ribbons, you will come to know what is the total length. So add 0 plus 0, 0, 2 plus 4, 6, 1 plus 1, 2. Total length of the ribbons is 260 centimeter. Look at the next example children. 375 meter long railway track, and the track is 300 meter long. So what is the total length of two tracks? We have to find here. So what is the length of first railway track? 375 meter. Another track 300 meter long. So add 0 plus 5, 5, 7 plus 0, 7, 3 plus 3, 6. Total length of the railway tracks is 675 meters. Now look at the next example. 150 centimeter long red rope plus 320 centimeter long blue rope. What is the length of red rope here? 150 centimeter. What is the length of blue rope? 320 centimeter. Now you can add both the lengths. 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 2, 7, 3 plus 1, 4. Total length of the ribbons is 470 centimeter. Find the difference. Okay, now we have to subtract the lengths here. Okay, 120 centimeter long ribbon minus 135 centimeter long ribbon. Difference in the lengths of ribbons we have to find. So, what is the length of red ribbon here? 220 centimeter. What is the length of green ribbon here? 135 centimeter. Now you can subtract using the subtraction rules. 0 minus 5 isn't possible. No. Why? Because 0 is less than 5. So cancel 0, borrow 1 from tens column. In tens column 2 is there. Cancel 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Write in ones column. 10 minus 5, 5. 1 minus 3 isn't possible. No. 1 is less than 3. So cancel 1, borrow from hundreds column. So in hundreds column 2 is there. Cancel 2, 2 minus 1, 1. Okay. Now 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3, 8. 1 minus 1, 0. So what is the difference here? Difference in the lengths of ribbons is 85 centimeter. Now look at the next example, children. 700 meter long railway tracks, 575 meter long railway tracks. Difference in the lengths of railway tracks we have to find. So 700 minus 575. If you subtract, you will come to know the difference. 0 minus 5 isn't possible. No. So cancel 0, borrow 1 from tens column. In tens column 0 is there. Cancel 0, 10 minus 1, 9. Write in tens column. Cancel 7 in hundreds column. 7 minus 1, 6. Okay. Subtraction ending in zeros. Here we have regrouped 100 into tens. 10 into 10 ones. Now you can subtract 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 7, 2. 6 minus 5, 1. Difference in length of railway tracks is 125 meter. Have you got it, children? So when you subtract meters and centimeters, you have to follow the rules of subtraction which you have already learnt. 350 meter long red rope, 850 meter long blue rope. Difference in the lengths of rope we have to find. Remember, children, when we subtract, the order in which we subtract, it is very important. So we have to subtract small numbers from greater number. So here in these two numbers, which is greater? 850 is greater. So copy 850 minus 358. Now you can subtract. 0 minus 8 isn't possible. No. So cancel 0, borrow 1 from tens column. In tens column 5 is there. Cancel 5. 5 minus 1, 4. Write in tens column. Now you can subtract. 10 is greater than 8. 10 minus 8, 2. Write in ones column. Subtract the digit in tens column. 4 minus 5 isn't possible. No. So cancel 4. Borrow 1 from tens column. So in hundreds column we have 8. Cancel 8. 8 minus 1, 7. Write in hundreds column. 14. Write in tens column. Now you can subtract. 14 minus 5, 9. 7 minus 3, 4. So difference in the length of ropes is 492 meter. Read the weights of goods, write the answer. Okay, look at this picture, children. The potatoes weight. Okay, you can observe the weight balance. How much kg it is showing? 5 kg. So you can write here 5 kg. The potatoes weight 5 kg. Now look at the next picture. The tomatoes weight. So observe the weight balance. How much it is showing? 1 kg. So you can write here 1 kg. The tomatoes weight 1 kg. Observe the next picture. The apples weight. So observe the weight balance stone. How much it is showing? 2 kg. So the apples weight 2 kg. Observe the next, children. So the pumpkin weights. So on the one pan they have pumpkin, on another pan they have two weight balance here, 2 kg and 50 gram. So what is the weight of pumpkin here? The pumpkin weighs 2 kg 50 gram. Is that clear, children? Now look at the next one. The pencils weight. So observe the weight balance stone here, 50 gram. So pencils weight 50 grams. Now observe the next balance, children. So here on one pan they have kept erasers, another pan they have kept the weight balance. Now the erasers weight 100 gram. Observe the next one, children. So the pencil box weights. Observe this weight balance. How much it is showing? 200 grams. The pencil box weighs 200 grams. Now observe the next picture, children. The book weights. So here also two weight balance are there, 100 gram and 50 gram. So the total weight is 150 grams. The book weighs 150 grams. Find the total weight. Okay, here they have given two weights. We have to find the total. So 300 kg rice plus 500 kg rice. So total weight of the rice is how much? We have to find. So add 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 3, 8. So what is the total weight here, children? 800 kg. Now look at the next example. Tomato weighs 750 gram. Chili weighs 150 grams. Total weight of the vegetables we have to find. So add the both weights, 150 gram plus 150 gram. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. Carry 1 on hundreds column. Write 0 in tens column. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus carry 1, 9. So the total weight of the vegetables is 900 grams. Look at the next one. 40 kg plus 20 kg. 40 kg plus 20 kg. So total weight of the grocery we have to find. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 2, 6. So the total weight of the grocery is 60 kg. So by using the addition rules we can add the weight. Find the difference. By using the subtraction rules we can subtract the weight. Now see here, children. 140 kg sugar minus 105 kg sugar. Difference in weights of sugar we have to find. So 0 minus 5 isn't possible? No. So cancel 0, borrow 1 from tens column. In tens column 4 is there. 4 minus 1, 3. Write in tens column. 10 minus 5, 5. 3 minus 0, 3. 1 minus 1, 0. So difference in weight of sugar is 35 kg. Have you got it, children? Now look at the next example. 400 gram green chili, 270 gram red chili. Difference in weights of chilies we have to find. So here subtraction ending in zeros. So 400 gram minus 270 grams. Now you can subtract 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 7 isn't possible? No. Cancel 0, borrow 1 from hundreds column. In hundreds column 4 is there. Cancel 4, 4 minus 1, 3. Write in hundreds column. 10 minus 7, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. So difference in weight of chilies is 130 kg. Now look at the next example. 900 gram tomatoes, 700 gram potatoes. Difference in the weights of vegetables we have to find. So 900 gram minus 700 gram. Now you can subtract 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 7, 2. So what is the difference here? 200 grams. Difference in weights of vegetables is 200 grams. Observe these vessels, children. Half liter, 1.5 liter, 1 liter, 1.5 liter, 2 liter, 5 liter. So these are the vessels which are used to measure the liquids like oil, milk, juice. Now, tick write the container in each set that has more capacity. So, here they have given two vessels which can hold more water or more oil or more tea. You have to tick write that vessel. So, compare the bottle and glass. In these two, which can hold more water, children? Yes, the bottle can hold more water. So, tick right for bottle. Now, look at this jug and oil can. Okay. So, the jug can hold more oil or can oil can hold more? Yes. The can hold more oil. The capacity of this jug is less. Okay. Now, compare the next two objects. So, in these two, which can hold more tea? A cup? No. So, tick right for teapot. So, the teapot can hold more water or more tea. So, does each actual object hold more than, less than or equal to 1 liter? Write more than or less than or equal to the given space. Now, observe the given pictures, children. If it can hold 1 liter, you can write equal to. If it holds less, you can write less than. If it contains more capacity, you can write more than. So, observe this milk pouch. So, it can hold 1 liter of milk. Yes. So, you can write equal to. Observe this fish tank. This fish tank can hold 1 liter of water or more or less. Yes, you are right. More than. So, you can write here more than. Look at the cup. This cup can hold 1 liter of water? No. It can hold equal to 1 liter? No. So it can hold less than 1 liter. So you can write less than. Now look at the next object, bucket. So a bucket can hold 1 liter, equal to 1 liter, no. Less than 1 liter, no. Or more than 1 liter, yes. So you can write here more than. Now observe this bowl. This bowl can contain 1 liter of water. Can it hold? No. So it can hold less than 1 liter. So you can write here less than. Now observe this tub, children. Okay. So this tub can hold 1 liter or more. Yes, more than 1 liter. So the capacity of this tub is more than 1 liter. Now look at the spoon. What is the capacity of this spoon? Can it hold 1 liter of water? No. Can it hold more than 1 liter? No. So it can hold less quantity. So you can write here less than. So it can hold less than 1 liter. Now look at the jug. Okay. This jug can hold 1 liter of water. Yes. So you can write here equal to. Okay. So you can write here equal to. So the jug can hold 1 liter of water. Now observe this water tank. Can it hold 1 liter of water or more than 1 liter? So you can write here more than 1 liter. So children, by seeing the size of object, we can guess that how much water or liquid it can hold. So capacity means the vessel, how much quantity of water or milk it can hold. It is considered as its capacity. Have you got it, children? Now look at the next question. Which unit would you use to measure the capacity of the following containers? Write liters and milliliters. A cup of tea. Okay. So a cup of tea can hold liter of tea or milliliters of tea. Yes. You can write here ml. So a cup can hold the tea in ml. Bucket of kerosene, liter. Spoon of medicine, ml. Okay. The spoon can hold less quantity. A drum of paint, liter. Okay. Tumbler of water, ml. Okay. So the small babies use, okay, mother uses the tumbler to feed the water to child. Okay, may you have seen tumbler. Okay. A can of cola, liter. Bucket of water, liter. Glass of juice, ml. Pouch of oil. So you can see the pouches of oils, liter as well as in milliliter also. Jug of water, liter. So like this, children, which unit would you use to measure the capacity of the following containers? Okay. Find the total capacity. Okay, here they have given two objects and their capacity. We have to find the total capacity of both the containers. So here two drums are there. So the first drum can hold 500 liter. Second drum can hold 475 liters. So we have to find the total capacity of two barrels. So if we add both the capacity, we will come to know the total. So 0 plus 5, 5, 0 plus 7, 7, 5 plus 4, 9. So the total capacity of the two barrels is 975 liters. Have you got it, children? Now look at the next one. 780 ml, 200 ml. So here they have given two cans. The blue can hold 780 ml. Red can hold 200 ml. So total capacity of two cans we have to find. So add both the capacity, you will come to know the answer. 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 0, 8. 7 plus 2, 9. So the total capacity of the two cans is 980 ml. Find the difference. Okay, find the difference means you have to follow here subtraction rules to subtract the liters and milliliters. So here they have given the two capacity of barrels. We have to find the difference in capacity. So the big barrel capacity is 875 liters. Small barrel capacity is 580 liter. So what is the difference in capacity of two barrels? We have to find. Now you can subtract using the subtraction rules. 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 8. Isn't possible? No. So cancel 7, borrow 1 from hundreds column. In hundreds column 8 is there. Cancel 8. 8 minus 1, 7. Write in hundreds column. 17 minus 8, 9. 7 minus 5, 2. So difference in capacity of two barrels is 295 liters. Now look at the next, children. Here they have given two juice glasses. Okay. So here 280 ml mango juice, 145 ml orange juice. Okay. We have to find the difference in glasses. Okay, difference in capacity of the two glasses. So here mango juice 280 ml minus orange juice 145 ml. Now you can subtract. 0 minus 5, not possible. Cancel 0, borrow 1 from tens column. In tens column 8 is there. Cancel 8, 8 minus 1, 7, write in tens column. Now 10 minus 5, 5. 7 minus 4, 3. 2 minus 1, 1. So difference in capacity of two glasses is 135 ml. Now look at the next one, children. Here they have given two cans. Okay, big can hold 100 ml, small can hold 20 ml. So we have to find the difference. 100 liter minus 20 liter. So subtraction ending in zeros. 0 minus 0, 0. 10 minus 2, 8. So difference in capacity of the two cans is 80 liter. So children, like this we can find the difference in capacity using the subtraction rules. Remember children, when we have to add or subtract weight, we can follow the rules of addition and subtraction which already we have learnt. So by using those rules we can add and subtract the kg, gram, liter, milliliter. Have you got it? Add meter and centimeter. Remember children, when we have to add the meter and centimeter, we should begin our addition with the centimeter column. So first we have to add centimeters, then we should add the meters. So here 5 plus 6, 11. carry 1 on tens column. Then add the digit in tens column. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus carry 1, 9. Now you can add the meters. 4 plus 3, 7. 5 plus 2, 7. So what is the sum here? 77 meter, 91 centimeter. Have you got it, children? Now look at the second example. 127 meter 38 centimeter plus 831 meter 54 centimeter. So first add the centimeters. 8 plus 4 12. So write 2 in ones column, carry 1 on tens column. 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 1 9. Write in tens column. Now you can add the digit in meters column. 1 plus 7 plus 1, 8, 2 plus 3, 5, 8 plus 1, 9. So what is the sum here? 958 meter, 92 centimeter. Look at the next one, children. So first add the centimeters. 4 plus 3, 7, 3 plus 1, 4. 6 plus 3, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. 4 plus 3, 7. So what is the sum here? 799 meter, 47 centimeter. So remember, children, when you have to add the meter and centimeter, begin with the centimeters column. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 4, 8. 6 plus 2, 8. 3 plus 4, 7. 5 plus 1, 6. So what is the sum here? 678 meter, 80 centimeter. Now subtract the meters and centimeter. So follow the rules of subtraction. First subtract centimeter, then you can subtract the meter. 8 minus 9. Isn't possible? No. So cancel 8. Borrow 1 from tens column. In tens column 5 is there. Cancel 5. 5 minus 1, 4. Write in tens column. Now you can subtract. 18 is greater than 9. So 18 minus 9, 9. 4 minus 2, 2. Now you can subtract meter. 7 minus 2, 5. 8 minus 4, 4. So what is the difference here? 45 meter, 29 centimeter. So when we have to subtract meter and centimeter, we have to follow the rules of subtraction which already we have learnt. Now subtract centimeter. 0 plus 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 6, 1. 8 minus 2, 6. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. So what is the difference? 346 meter, 10 centimeter. Now look at the next one. So first subtract centimeter. 1 minus 5. Isn't possible? No. So cancel 1. Borrow 1 from tens column. In tens column 9 is there. Cancel 9. 9 minus 1, 8. Write in tens column. 11 minus 5, 6. Write in ones column. 8 minus 4, 4. Write in tens column. Now you can subtract the digit in meters column. 7 minus 8. Not possible. Cancel 7. Borrow 1 from tens column. So here in tens column 6 is there. Cancel 6. 6 minus 1, 5. Write in tens column. 17 minus 8. 9. 5 minus 3, 2. 9 minus 7, 2. So what is the difference? 229 meter, 46 centimeter. Now look at the next one. First subtract centimeters. 4 minus 6. Not possible. Cancel 4. Borrow 1 from tens column. In tens column 9 is there. Cancel 9. 9 minus 1, 8. Write in tens column. 14 minus 6, 8. 8 minus 7, 1. Write in tens column. Now subtract meter. 4 minus 0, 4. 9 minus 7, 2. 8 minus 4, 4. So what is the difference here? 424 meter 18 centimeter. So remember children, when you have to add or subtract meter, centimeter, kg or gram, liter or milliliter, you have to follow the rules of addition and subtraction which already you have learned. Find the sum. Okay, here we have to add the kg and grams. So first we will add the grams, then we will add the kg. So here 6 plus 8, 14. So carry 1 on tens column, write 4 in ones column. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus carry 1, 13. So again carry 1 on hundreds column, write 3 in tens column. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus carry 1, 6. Write in hundreds column. Now add the kg. 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 2, 5. So what is the total weight here or total sum? 50 kg 634 gram. Now look at the next one children. So first add the grams. 6 plus 5, 11. Carry 1 on tens column, write 1 in ones column. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus carry 1, 13. So again carry 1 on hundreds column, write 3 in tens column. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Write in hundreds column. Now you can add the digit in kg column. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So what is the sum here? 97 kg 731 grams. Now look at the next example. So first add the grams. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. Carry 1 on tens column, write 0 in tens column. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus carry 1, 9. Add the digit in kg column. 8 plus 8, 16. Carry 1. Write 6 in ones column. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Write in tens column. 5 below there is no number, so write 5 as it is. So what is the sum here? 586 kg 900 grams. Now look at the next one. 6 plus 0, 6. 5 plus 6, 11. Carry 1. Write 1 in tens column. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Write in hundreds column. 3 plus 1, 4. 2 plus 1, 3. 4 plus 3, 7. So what is the sum here? 734 kg 816 gram. So like this children, we have to add, subtract kg and grams. So first subtract the grams, then you can subtract the kg. 9 minus 6, 3. 8 minus 5, 3. 7 minus 2, 5. 8 minus 8, 0. 3 minus 1, 2. So what is the difference here? 20 kg 533 gram. So remember children, when you have to subtract kg and grams, you have to follow the rules of subtraction which already you have learnt. Now subtract the grams. 3 minus 7, not possible, cancel 3, borrow 1 from tens column. In tens column 5 is there, cancel 5, 5 minus 1, 4, write in tens column. 13 minus 7, 6, write in ones column. 4 minus 8, not possible, so cancel 4, borrow 1 from hundreds column. In hundreds column 9 is there, cancel 9. 9 minus 1, 8, write in hundreds column. 14 minus 8, 6, write in tens column. 8 minus 2, 6, write in hundreds column. Now subtract the digit in kg. 7 minus 4, 3. 4 minus 3, 1. So what is the difference here? 13 kg 660 grams. Now look at the next one. Subtract gram. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 8, not possible. Cancel 4. Borrow 1 from hundreds column. 100 column 6 is there. Cancel 6. 6 minus 1, 5. 14 minus 8, 6. 5 minus 3, 2. 6 minus 0, 6. 4 minus 3, 1. So what is the difference here? 16 kg, 260 grams. Now look at the next one. 1 minus 5.